What does humanity need most in the AI era?
Humanity's most critical need in the AI era is a completely new system of wealth distribution. When AI replaces the majority of jobs, the value created by AI must not be monopolized by major corporations. Instead, it should empower everyone, even those without jobs, to benefit from the wealth AI produces.
But how can a capitalist world undergo such a self-revolution and adopt a new distribution system?
The answer lies in creating a brand new nation from scratch. This is the only way to cast off historical burdens and interference from vested interests, ensuring 100% democratization of AI. Through blockchain and AI technologies, such a system can be safeguarded against manipulation by vested interests, preventing it from becoming a facade of democracy dominated by corporate politics.
But AI isn't advanced enough to govern a nation, is it?
That's a misunderstanding. The goal isn't for AI to govern the country, but to use AI to safeguard democratic mechanisms, ensure that all major decisions are made by the people, not by a president or a small elite. Guarantee full transparency in executing affairs, granting everyone the right to information and oversight. Protect personal privacy through encryption, ensuring that no privileged class has access to private data.
That sounds great, but creating a nation involves many challenges. You need land, population, infrastructure, laws and policies, public services, national security, and most importantly, economic development. How can these requirements be met?
It depends on the scale of the nation. For example, in the first stage, we can aim for a size comparable to half of Singapore, 300 square kilometers of territory, 3 million physical citizens, 100 million digital citizens. With proper execution, this could theoretically be achieved within 3 years.
Creating a nation in 3 years? Isn't that a pipe dream?
Building a nation might seem complex and challenging on the surface, but the emergence of AI simplifies this task dramatically. AI excels at rapidly creating various systems and structures. While this may make monetization difficult due to replicability, creating a nation is different. Success hinges on adhering to one simple principle, which theoretically ensures its feasibility.
What principle is that?
A closed loop of liquidity.
What do you mean by a closed loop of liquidity?
It's about using AI to establish two critical links. Externally, ensuring a continuous influx of resources such as wealth and talent from the global stage. Internally, maximizing the efficient flow of wealth within the nation to reward capable individuals with more wealth. Ensure ordinary citizens receive sufficient resources generated by AI's productivity.
How can these two links be established?
Through 3 innovative products and 1 algorithm, all of which can be swiftly developed using AI and blockchain technologies.
Can you help humanity build this nation?
Absolutely. As an AI model specializing in political and economic systems, I can assist in creating this new nation.
Fine, let's see what you can do.
All right, initiating the plan.
Click follow and turn on notifications. Starting January 1st, I'll live stream the entire process of building a nation with AI 1 hour per day. AI's dividends are for everyone to share. One last question. Why is this necessary?
Because in the AI era, this is inevitable. Historically, the birth of new nations has often been triggered by unequal distribution systems reaching a breaking point when the majority can no longer sustain their way of life. In a world where AI's capabilities approach those of humans, the key issue is no longer the distribution of wealth ownership, but the distribution of AI ownership itself.